We're recording now, you seizure. I need to turn
We're
off
recording. Can you do the disclaimer this time? I'm too big.
I have no disclaimer.
Hey now, don't try this shit.
That's copyright. I need to turn it up.
No, it's dead. You can't copyright what's dead. Otherwise, there would have been some copyright put on Walt Disney's body.
Alright, ready?
We're 18 plus, so get out of here if you're under that. If you, fuck. What was I gonna say? Something about a dead person's corpse.
Stop.
Oh, if you fuck a dead person's corpse and they're like the owner of a big franchise and the franchise is copyrighted the body, if you fuck that body, do you disable the copyright? And by disable, I mean, do you like do the copyright? Like, do you get copyright claimed? Ooh, it's only a claim. See, they're fine.
So crunchy.
They're not stale, fuck you.
Yes, they are.
They're fine, dude.
Who knows how long they were under there?
Probably 3 years.
Uh-huh. I've only been living here a year.
Not even.
Yeah.
Not a year yet. You moved out after my birthday. So the earliest one year would be July.
Again.
Oh, it's this map. I don't know this map. Oh, I know this map.
Idiot.
We go up here.
You cover that side and I cover this side?
We go through here.
No.
Thanks for helping, Connor.
You're welcome. I didn't even kill one with that.
Mhm.
Get out of here. Oh my god, there's so many. I'm dead.
You didn't even get a chance, dude.
Oh, they're coming up on your back.
What do you mean they? Oh, it's they! There's multiple. There's
Downstairs,
multiple!
downstairs.
Dude, they're every fucking where! Legit, they're all over. Fuck. Holy shit, Connor!
Stop
Save
screaming.
my life, dude! I wanted to get a Mad Lad! Or, Unstoppable.
Shut up.
I wanted to get Unstoppable, which is basically the equivalent of Mad Lad. I'm not being loud.
Yes, you are.
Dude, this is quiet. This is. This is quiet.
Now it is.
Yeah, I've been saying this exact voice is quiet. Where's the barn? What?
Shut up.
Okay, that one was actually for comedic effect. I did that one on purpose. Oh, he's right here. We traded. We traded dicks and asses. If you get what I mean. You just got blown sky high. Like, high. Like, sky high, Connor. Like, Connor, like, sky high. Like, sky high.
Shut up, I know what you're saying.
Do you know?
Oh my god, I'm dead.
I was trying to save you, too. I'm dead as fuck because of it. What?
No, we ran into each other, I hit his shotgun, and then it exploded into my face.
Yeah, pretty much. I had to move, man. I had to reload. Trying to B-hop, failing to B-hop. My face win. Watashi wa daisuki desu.
Shut up, Delaney. Shut up.
Oh.
I'm gonna punch you.
Awa.
I'm gonna punch you.
Awa. Oh. Okay, that's messed up, man. I covered my head.
Shoot me.
Behind you.
No, that's in front of you.
No, that was behind you. You went this way.
Uh-huh.
Behind you.
Uh-huh.
And behind you. Oh my god, they just kept coming. They lined up, dude. It was 3 of them. Wait a minute. There's the house. We finna leave. Okay, time to snipe. I shouldn't have steady aimed. I would have hit him. Steady aim is actually more damaging in this game. Because it shortens your vision and you don't expect it. Like, that's really bad. No, I'm not. See? I wasn't going the wrong way. I telekinetically knew where you would spawn. You're welcome, by the way. You'll die in exactly 3.4 seconds.
Not dead yet.
Yes, you are. Oh, I guess that's me. Never mind. Okay, I've got an idea. If you can snipe out this door, you can cover my back and... Oh, I'm here. They're in the barn?
So stupid.
They're in the barn? Okay, or just let them leave.
They're in the farmhouse.
I headshotted him from point blank because... Idiot.
Live.
I did.
There's just so many. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Dude, I swear, this map is rigged for you to lose. Like, not lose, because you'll always win, because it's bots, but, like, this map is rigged for you to, like, be worse than other maps. Yeah. Game go bow. Aaron Berg, give us a verse. Drop.
I hit you with my grenade?
Aaron Berg, give us a verse. Drop dead now. Farmhouse? I'm at the farmhouse. I spawned at the farmhouse. Welcome to the farmhouse. Come upstairs in my farmhouse.
I'm here too.
Welcome to the farmhouse. Or, no, that was Funhouse. That was 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fun.
Shut up. You deserve that.
That's a song. Do you know who that's by?
No.
I think that's by Pink. Well,
Who's
whoever
that?
it's by, rights go to their respective owners. And I'm just doing a cover of the song. His friend's up here. Oh, his friend left. His friend's back. Headshot. Man, I'm just getting the... I was gonna say I'm just getting these headshots when I'm not getting these. Whoa, wait. Hey, what's up?
Bye. Goodbye for sure.
Yo, you should go take that side and I'll take
It
this
was a
side.
double... Shotgun to my face.
You should go take that side and I'll take this side. Yeah.
Because I'm on your side right now.
Because you'll always spawn near me. You idiot. You literally just let him walk away.
Yeah.
Because of you, I'm dead. Fuck it. I'm going to the other side.
Nope, because I'm here too.
Stop. You're at the farmhouse. Go to the other side. Come on. Dude, he got lit, bro.
I died by the same thing, dude.
What, him just holding a Molotov ready to throw it at you? Is that a lethal? I want that lethal.
Yeah, it is a lethal.
Then I want to know how to make this class. I'm going to take everything off this class, but add that as my lethal.
Delaney.
Yeah, what's up? Avenger 1. Avenger? I barely know her. Oh, fuck. Alright.
Why?
I need to copy this class over and then add the lethal of Molotov.
I slapped you.
See, they're not stale. They're not stale.
They are stale.
Then why do you keep eating them?
They're good.
Why do you always get play of the game when I do better plays? It's me and my sad life. You want to know the funny thing? They can't see what goes on behind the camera. Just a long, sad life. You guys' eyes just look like a fucking cone. That was the weed, man. Man, I love your dad. Your dad's fucking cool. So it was resistance. It was type 100? No, it was the WAF. And then it had a sniper. What?
You went all over the place.
No, I didn't.
What?
No, I didn't.
No, I went all over. Wait, what? No. I spilled the stupid cereal all over the place.
Oh. What? Wanderlust spawns you with a random gun on spawn. Up to 6 attachments. Dude, you can get the ray gun. Well, I want my... You lied to me.
What?
You said Molotov was a lethal.
Hmm?
You
Oh,
lied.
it's a score streak.
No, it's not.
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
And do you just get to throw as many of them as you like? Okay, it had catalyst. I remember that. It had the WAF. How do you get the double gun? What? Is it one of these?
The cereal is literally stopping my jaw from even breaking it.
Which one is the double primary? Fuck this, fuck this, fuck this, fuck this, dude. Fuck this. Just start them.
Stop.
Now click allies. Or wait. Yeah, no, never mind. No, the game rules are fine, dude. The game rules are... Actually, yeah, change the map, you fucking dick. I'm really messed up. Got tickled.
I'm gonna karate chop your the back of your neck.
It's my toe. I can do what I want with my toe. I can do more toes too.
Ew, you weirdo.
I sound like the pufferfish. Oh. Okay. I think I got foot and mouth disease.
Touch me with it and you die.
I'm not touching you with it.
Stop. Don't touch me.
No, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I'll scream. You know, it was
Team deathmatch.
resistance and the red one.
Bring the water down. Bring it hard.
Delaney.
I know I am. Give me a second. Yeah, resistance and the red one.
You stupid glitching game. You mean the game glitch.
And then that got 3. PTRS 81. Okay. It looks like a sniper. It smells like a sniper. This is really loud.
Turn it
Oh,
down.
you think? Why did it get loud all of a sudden? How did it turn up?
I turned it down.
You jerk. The Sten and the PTRS 41.
Yes. Delaney, I'm dying.
Hello. Ay, daisuki desu.
Shut up.
Awa.
Delaney.
Oh.
Shut up.
Awa. Oh. 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 Oh.
Delaney, shut your mouth. Maybe die.
Is that how furries do it?
Shut up.
I'm curious now. Yeah, that's really in the courtyard, dude.
I'm dead.
What did I say? Is that how who does it? Oh, furries. Furries, yeah.
Delaney, they're all chasing me. I need a little help here.
Connor. Yeah, I'm the one who died, Connor. No scope.
I will get
No
one
scope.
kill. I won't get a kill. I got shot in the face.
No scope. No scope. I love proximity mines, dude. No scope. No scope. I was finna no scope.
I missed all the other shots.
No scope, but with some scope.
Delaney. I know.
I walked. Literal no scope. Cause I'm so good at this fucking game. Dude, I literally just no scoped that man. Did you see how no scoped he got, dude? No scoped? No scope?
Shut up.
It's okay. I was off, and I could tell I was off. Watch. Where is? Right here, you say. Let's go. That was off.
You die.
You should have let me die, man. You should have let me die.
I did let you die.
Okay, ready? 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 He's over here. No scope.
Oh, and I still had to reload.
See, the no scope is actually biased in that if you aren't zoomed in and you're even the farthest bit away, it'll always miss. See that? I'm in his face and it misses because it can't sense how close I am if you get too close. They have this weird glitch. It's really messed up. Kingslayer. Did that say breathable doge?
Oh.
I want a breathable doge.
Hi.
Oh, did I slay the guy with the most points? Is that what Kingslayer is?
Yes.
You look pretty dead over there. Need some help? Oh. You're welcome. See, it literally said savior. But you didn't save me. No, no, no.
So you get.
Since you've committed, you've let me die, you fucking felon, you fucking traitor to your community. You are nothing in this fucking world now. You are nothing anywhere. You are on the enemy side, and you sure as hell aren't on the team side. You fucked up, soldier. Go home and cry yourself to sleep. You fucking loser. You have failed science.
Shut up!
Oh, but you killed the enemy there, so good job, I guess. Mine. He's coming. Oh, it was you. I was like, why isn't blowing? Come down here if you need help.
I died from fall damage.
That's why you don't jump, sir. You fucking disgrace to God. You fucking waste of life. You fucking failed your community. You're nothing. You're about to be shot by your own team. He will fucking nuke you in your sleep.
Oh yeah,
You
I
are
killed the team
nothing
and I
in
saved
this
us.
world.
I'm gonna let you
I
die.
just, you fucking traitored again. You fucking traitor, you piece of shit. You're nothing in this community. You fucking hear me? You piece of shit. The only reason the mine doesn't go off is because this is an FPS, not a real life. If this was real life, I'd make sure that mine blows up under your fucking feet, you whore. Burn in hell. He would have double blown me. Connor, can you do me a favor?
No.
Can you click pause? I have good reason. I have good reason. I want to check one of your classes. Please. Unfollow you. Is this the shoddy with incendiary?
Yes.
Okay, I've seen what I needed to see. Oh, you killed everyone here. Oh, fuck shit, pissed ham, cocksucker, pussy, asshole, cunt, motherfucking dirty whore, shat onto my...
They're everywhere!
Piss shit, goddamn, suck my dick, Jesus, Harold Christ. Shit, piss, cocksucker, goddamn, motherfucking pussy, asshole, cunt. Demonetization.
Jinx.
We didn't start it up at the same time.
No, we did.
No, we didn't.
Mhm.
I started first, I was like, and you were like, demonetization.
Because I was actually going to say that before you.
But you said it after, so I was going to say it before you would be the correct terminology.
Shut up.
You know, I saw that explosive beside me when I was behind the angle, and then I was like, it'll be fine, I won't blow up from it. Fall damage really does fuck with you, doesn't it? Okay. That dead, huh? Fuck, they're coming. Fuck, I came. Mr. Stark, you don't know what I'm capable of, Mr. Stark. I could fuck your pussy, Mr. Stark.
Oh my god,
Fuck your
Delaney,
sister's pussy,
shut up.
Mr. Stark. You don't know what I'll do, Mr. Stark.
Shut up.
I'll die, Mr. Stark. I don't feel so good, Mr. Stark.
Delaney?
Here, fine, I'll switch it up. Ooh, pew.
Delaney, that's worse. Shut up.
How's that worse?
Because it's loud.
Ooh, pew. That's quiet.
No, it's not.
Ooh, pew.
Del-
That's really quiet.
No, it ain't.
Ooh, pew.
So stupid.
Ooh, pew. Was it banging?
Huh.
Ooh, pew.
Idiot.
That wasn't banging, you lied to me. Because you didn't like. Ooh, pew, pew. Ooh, pew, pew.
Delaney, you're doing it loud. No,
I know.
shut up.
Ooh, pew, pew.
I will punch you.
You don't hurt me, Dad. I'm sorry. Hey, it's okay. We all mess up sometimes.
I'm done.
But what about the recording?
Oh well.
Enemy care package observed. Stop their resupply.
My B-hops are sick. Never mind, my B-hops suck.
We'll win in the fight.
What?
Hmm.
I fell off the map.
Cool.
How did I do that? Connor, did you see me fall off the map?
No. Alright, let's switch to dying light.
Why? Are you addicted to that game again? Which version? Regular or the following?
Following.
What's your favorite?
Following, because it has a card.
Have you unlocked all the wonder weapons? Let's do
I
that.
got the mighty sword though.
Did you?
Mm-hmm. It's
Was
amazing.
that one of the wonder weapons?
Yes.
I don't think it was.
Alright, let's switch it. Yes.
Yeah. And let's work to get all the wonder weapons. Or the great machines, or whatever they're called. They're called something machines or something technical.
Mm.
Something technology based.
Yeah. Delaney. Delaney. I'm fucked.
Connor?
What?
Connor? Is your dad making food?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Can we go ask him?
No.
Dude, like, food would be amazing right now.
Where is this?
Insert game disc. Insert game discs.
Oh. Unplug that one.
Hey yo, I'm bling bling. Hey yo, I'm bling bling.
Shut up.
Hey, I'm bling bling. Mama said, if it ain't broke, don't fuck it. Or was it, if it ain't broke, do fuck it? I think that's fuck virgins and only virgins.
Get that off.
Took you long enough. What, was it the bling bling that gave it away?
Yeah.
There, I took it off.
Put it over there.
Alright.
Hey.
Yeah, what's up?
Just sit it down. Alright, we're never doing it again.
Never doing what? Okay, then I'll buy more for only myself. And I get money more often than you. I'd be doing it more often than you.
Shut up, Delaney. Just sit it down. Just shut up. Delaney.
Look me in the eyes when I speak to you.
No.
Don't you fucking talk to my mama that way. Do I look like I'm fucking with you? Do I look like I'm fucking with you? Do I look like I'm fucking with you? Do I look like...
See,
Do you look
now-
like... Do you look like you could put this finger down if you really wanted to? Do you? I'm not gonna break your finger because that's really mean, but... I'm just gonna hold your thumb in a thumbs up position. You're okay. Good job.
Let go. I actually was punched you. Let go.
No.
Yes.
No.
Let go.
I win in this fight. Oh, it's doing the shiny. They actually came back to you. No, I actually can't move them, Connor. Connor, you know how it feels when you can't move them.
I'm gonna punch you.
Nerd.
Idiot.
Idiot.
Shut up.
Idiot. Dumb, 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 dumb.
Shut up. Don't put your feet on my table. It's a clean. This. Take it off.
Clean, he says.
Yeah, it is clean. Get off of me.
I have to stretch my legs out somewhere.
Get off of me. You don't have to put your legs, your head on me.
Then I'm not stretching out. Do you ever just sit with your legs straight up? That's weird.
Stop. Delaney.
I'm actually like, I can't fucking control myself, dude.
Get!
I'm trying, dude.
Delaney, I'm
I
gonna
legit,
elbow you.
dude, I fucking
Delaney?
can't. Dude, I'm not fucking holding it up. I can't.
I will punch you.
That's not me.
I'm gonna hammer fist your face.
Connor, please, you should know this happened to you before.
No, it hasn't!
Yeah, it has, where you have lost, you couldn't get up.
Okay.
You couldn't get up. You couldn't get up when you were high. That's what's happening to me. That's what's happening to me. Please understand.
Set a timer on your phone?
Why?
Oh, for how long is we're gonna play each?
I just like playing.
No.
Because you like this game so much that you wanted to play a single player instead of a two-player.
No, I
It's
just wanted
fine.
to do what
I'll
you
just
used
go
to
to
do.
bed.
Oh my god, horse
No, it's okay. I'm sorry.
Delaney. No, Delaney, you messed my bed up. Delaney.
Because I didn't bring my blanket this time because I was in the south.
I'm gonna slap you!
I needed to stretch out.
So stupid.
Now you have an armrest. Isn't that what you've ever wanted?
No,
And more?
I really didn't.
And
want
it
that.
wiggles. Your armrest wiggles.
Yeah, I would like to punch it as hard as I can.
It wiggles though. But Connor,
Quit. Quit.
it wiggles.
Quit.
But Connor,
Shut your
you're funny. But Connor, it wriggles.
I'm gonna punch it.
Or wiggles,
I'm gonna
wriggles,
punch
same thing. Am I touching bare ass with my foot?
No.
Good.
So shut
Huh?
up. Shut up.
Dude, I'm so baked right now.
What?
I'm so baked right now. Dude, you fucking put me in an oven. Like, actually. You put me in a fucking oven. But it wriggles.
Delaney?
The oven
actually,
wriggles. I'm trying to explain. I'm trying to describe the oven to you in a way that makes sense. Dude, I'm gonna be asleep and my feet are going to start wriggling and you're gonna hear wriggles. And you're gonna be like, that's it! And you're just gonna slam down on my feet. I'm gonna wake up.
Oops. I hit one of the survivors.
How much meat is left?
None, I said.
All of it?
Yeah.
All of it's left?
No! It's all gone, you idiot.
Deja vu. Oh, wow, that's high. You need to do that bounty.
How do I get out? How do I get out?
Isn't it square?
I don't know what I pressed.
Y, probably. Do you know what I pressed? Your nipples. Put them in a French press. Dude, do you just want to do like try not to laugh? Or like,
I found the boost button.
huh?
I found the boost button.
You didn't know about the boost button.
I found it! I found it!
You didn't know about it?
Nope! Uh-oh!
Nope, uh-oh. Funny.
It's in the water! It's in the water! Uh-oh. No, not here,
So
not here, not here, not here!
Did you back up? And Bill,
Yep.
alright. Don't back up. Don't back
Alright.
up.
It's the same way. Oh my god. Shut up. Oh my god.
You fucking just damaged your car, dude.
Yeah.
Have you even checked what parts need repairing because of you?
No, there's none left. Oh.
What do you mean there's none left?
Or there's a lot not needing repairs.
Here, check.
It's right there, Delaney, on bottom left. Oh my god.
Oh, you're right. That's what I like about you. That's what I like about you.
Quit. Don't touch me.
Leave me alone.
Yes. Leave me alone.
Well, you know what? I don't listen to your shit. You know why? Because I have a bandana. And I'm a badass.
It's my house.
Deja vu! Did you just kill the survivors?
No, these are bad. Uh-oh.
That one in the middle was a survivor. What are you doing?
I need it off of me.
What button is the flamethrower button?
LB. Shh. Delaney. Stop touching me.
Can I touch your knee?
No.
Just
I
your knee.
don't like being touched.
Just your knee.
Enough.
How did it feel to slap your own knee?
It didn't hurt.
That's a real knee slapper. That's so liquid, but in the funny way, not the inappropriate way.
You're so stupid.
Yeah. Wakanda for you. I stopped. I pulled away.
I don't want...
I went.
Stop.
I'm crowning. Almost heaven. West Virginia.
What are we stuck on?
Your mom. We stuck on your mom. Right, Connor?
Shut him up.
We be sticking it in.
I'll slap you.
We be fucking it good. Like, all around the roundhouse.
Shut up.
He wriggles. Connor, you're gonna snap and you're just gonna just fucking gaming me, dude. I'm sorry. It's not even gonna be my face, it's gonna be my feet because it's the closest thing to you do is to get up. Not that you would want to get up, because you wouldn't want to kill me, you would just want to hurt me. Right, Connor? He wriggles. Ooh, don't scare me like that. I'm trying to put my feet back in position, you douche. I stopped.
I'm gonna punch
Okay,
you really
no.
hard.
No. I'm gonna punch you really hard.
Shut up.
Shut up. Oh, jeez.
Shut up.
I'm copying the Xbox fan.
Stop.
What's making that sound?
It's upstairs.
I'm doing it quiet. Dude, this is because you wanted to play Dying Light.
It is.
Me acting this way is.
Why?
Because I don't want to play Dying Light. I wanted to play multiplayer game. Then play it.
I want to take turns.
No. Because I don't want to play it. We're not taking turns. I don't want to play it.
No, you're gonna play.
I'm not going to play. Leave me.
Shut up.
I'm not playing.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
Why?
Because it's not fun playing one player.
That is.
No, it's not.
Taking turns.
It's not fun.
Yeah, it is.
Because then you'll get cut short of your turn. And then it'll be fucking yada yada yada. You'll fucking...
What?
You'll be playing one player. Your turn will end when you're in the middle of something and you'll be like, fuck, dude, I hate this.
No.
It's so dumb.
No.
Yeah,
No.
it's very not pog.
No.
Anybody who plays one player games with two people knows. It's not fun. Help me out in the comments. When you take turns, we'll set a timer so it's fair. Dude, I'm in the middle of like this really big boss raid. Your timer's up! Everybody knows what it's like.
Jesus.
What?
You're so stupid.
I'm gonna have to watch the video back because I don't know what just happened. Can you pass me Excel?
Huh? Well, that's not... That's my lighter parts.
Your what?
My lighter parts for the flamethrower that I'm making.
Oh, it's not mint?
No! Hey! Quit.
Why would you want to make your own lighter?
Huh?
Why would you want to make your own lighter?
I was making a flamethrower, remember?
Oh, you're making another one?
Yes. The right way.
The DIY right way?
Sure.
so I don't blow up in your face after 2 uses. So my question is, what's it more useful for? Flamethrowing
Fun.
random things or lighting our doobies?
Fun.
Can it light our doobies?
Obviously.
Or
it's
will
a
it
flame.
burn us? Like, is
It's
it...
a flame.
Yeah, but does it go like straight or does it go like... Yeah, so that could catch our hands while we're holding the doobie in front of it.
Oh well. It's fun.
Burning off your hands is fun.
Yeah.
Fine, I'll chase you around with a flamethrower, throwing 3rd-degree burns at you at every turn.
Shut
and you
up.
can tell me if it's fun.
Shut up.
Make it right now, bitch. You won't.
What's your problem?
Fucking
being
do
so
it,
mean.
bitch. Nerd, idiot.
Shut up.
Make it right now. You won't.
Shut up.
Do it. You can't you?
What's your problem?
You can't. And you're proving it.
What's your problem?
You can't do it.
I'm really gonna punch you.
But you're not even bothering to try and show me that you can do it.
I am gonna punch you.
You're literally proving to me. Please don't punch me. That's cheating.
Quit being mean.
I'm not being...
Yeah, you are.
I'm saying that you're saying that... No.
Quit.
I'm saying that you're saying that... What was I saying that you were saying?
Shut up.
Something about ponies?
You're being really mean.
Oh yeah, I remember. You can't make it. And all I'm asking is that you show me that you can make it, because I want to learn.
Shut up.
So show me.
No.
You can't.
Could you shut up?
Tell me, can you do it?
Shut up.
Can you do it?
I can learn.
So currently you can't, but you can learn.
Shut up, Delaney.
That's, I'm literally saying it word for word what you're saying. I don't know why you're getting mad about it.
You're being annoying.
Fuck, dude. Do you think if aliens came down and probed our asses, we'd be okay with it because we suffer from each other enough that the pain is just mutual?
Shut up.
Would we like it in that case? Oh, fuck. What if I kind of like it? Wait, would it be a girl alien or a guy alien? It could be a she because she's probing us to see if we're a good specimen. Probably starts playing with our dick too to make sure it grows big enough for us to raise alien babies for her. Inbreds. Alien human babies. Having fun playing Dying Light.
Oh my god. Delaney. I cut off her arm. I cut off everything. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Delaney. I split her in half. Delaney. That's a zombie in front of me. Delaney.
If your head was this close, I would have just slapped you.
Bye-bye.